I couldn't decide today whether I wanted to go hiking or kayaking, so I decided I'm going to do both. So the plan is to climb that mountain over there, but I have to cross this river to get to it. So that's one I've been eyeing that one for a little while now. But like I said, I got to cross this body of water to get over to it. The thing about that mountain is I don't think there's a trail. I think it's bushwhacking all the way, because that's like a no man's land on the other side over there. But I also don't want to put the kayak in here. There's got to be a better place. So I'm thinking if I go down that way, someplace closer to the water, put the kayak in, and paddle down here. And okay, I'm in. Heading down to the mountain now. It's down there someplace. I'll get there. No hurry. Nice spot to pull in. The mountain is that away behind the camera. I gotta swap out my water shoes for my hiking boots to get to the next stage. Alright, so I'm gonna dry my feet because I had to get them a little wet to get in and out of the water. So dry them off, put my hiking boots on, away I go. I knew I was gonna forget something in this dual adventure. I forgot my trekking poles. Not the end of the world. Hopefully I won't need them. They're nice to have, but like I said, not the end of the world. I can make a stick, walking stick if I need to. Whew, I'm out of breath already. Okay, here we go. I'm on a trail right now. I don't know what it is or where it goes. Never been on this side before, so we'll see if I can find that mountain and climb it. It's hot, really hot. There's no breeze down here at all. There was a nice breeze out on the water, but there's none down here. I think I'm about 3/4 of the way up. Yes, I gotta fashioned a walking stick for two reasons: for climbing and in case any rabid coyotes try to attack. Anyways, also had to put bug stuff on. You can tell it rained here yesterday pretty good. Everything's soft and, you know, quiet. But it's also made it a lot buggier than it probably would have been. So I had to put the stuff on. When I get back down, I'll go in the water and get it all off of me. Yeah, I think I'm about 3/4 of the way up. If it keeps going up, I keep going up. So I'm sweating my ass off. All right, here we go. I think I'm almost at the top. that part where I said it was 3/4 of the way up, I don't think it was. It was only half. Had to take a break because I think I'm almost at the top, but the hardest part of the whole climb seems to lie before me. So, and I better have a little break so I can tackle that. Made it to the top. I'm right up on the ridge right now. Whew. But as I suspected, because this isn't really a climbing mountain that has a trail that leads to a view or anything, there's just nothing really to see up here. Excuse me. It goes down that way, it goes down, so I'm right on the ridge, but there's really nothing to see. I'll walk around a little bit, see if there isn't something to look at, see how high I am. But I am up right on the ridge right now. So let me walk around a little bit. I know there's nothing the way I came up. I turned around every once in a while and there was really nothing, no view or anything. So let me walk around and see if I can find something. Otherwise, made it to the top. Now I got to get down to that water after this. All right, made it down off the mountain. Back on this little trail that leads down to where hopefully the kayak is still tied. Whew! It's nice to see the water though. Let's see if hopefully the kayak is still there. There's like a little campsite here where I put in. That's why it was so open. Oh, there's the kayak. It's floating. It's a good thing I tied it because it's floating. Wow. Well, that would have sucked if it got away, because I mean there's no way off of this wherever I am to get to the other side where I put in. But no need to worry. There's the kayak. All I got to do is swap out my put my water shoes back on and paddle back over to where the car is. It was a good hike. Not too grueling, but enough to make me know that I hiked. All right, back to the paddling phase of the adventure. This may not be the perfect ending to a paddling and hiking day, but it's pretty close.